Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use our blur overlays in Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is open up your image that you want to add your blur to. Then go up to File and go down to Place. Find where you have your blurs saved and then click on Place. If your blur is not completely on your photo, you can hold down your Shift key and pull it to the edges here just to make sure that you don't have any weird lines on your image from where the overlay doesn't extend far enough out. And then you can click Enter or you can hit this check mark here. And that adds it to your photo. I like it how it is. You can go through and you can play with your blend modes though and see there's different ways that you can add it on. Changes just a little bit with each one of these. Do a screen to make it brighter, multiply to make it darker. I like it on normal on this one. And you can see it just adds a really nice blur to it. Now if you'd like, we can change the color of the blur. Just go to Color Overlay. This automatically changes it to red. So if you click on the red, then you can actually pick the green straight from the image if you want it to be the same color green. If you want it to be this yellow color, you can pick whatever you want there and then just click on OK. And click on OK again and it'll change that color for you. You can see the difference between the color. If you turn off the eyeball here on effects, you can see what it was and what it is now and choose which one you like best. If you want to erase part of a blur off of your image, you can go down and click on this button here and that will create a layer mask. And then you want to grab a soft black brush, so make sure your hardness is set at 0. I'm going to make my brush size a bit larger. And then you just paint the black on to get rid of the blur. So let's say you don't want it on your bride here. You can do that. Take it off your groom and just have it on the sides if you want. Now let's say you want to bring it back on. All you have to do is change your brush to white and you can paint that back on. I like this better than erasing because then you don't get rid of it forever and you can always bring it back. And that's all that you have to do to add these. If you have any questions, you can email us at bp4uguides@gmail.com and we can help you out with that.